Let's see the recipe of yummy momos with a new ingredient twist. So let's jump to the video. To a kadhai add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, half cup of chopped capsicum, 1/4 cup of mashed paneer, that is cottage cheese, and saute them well. Now add 1 cup of grated carrots and mix them well. Now add in 2 cups of grated cabbage and mix well. Here we have 1 cup of boiled vermicelli, which is our new ingredient. Add it to the mixture and mix well. Now add in half teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. You have to make sure that the mixture is half cooked. Now turn off the gas flame and let it cool. Now let's make the dough for our momos. To a bowl add 1 cup of wheat flour, that is gehu ka atta, and 1 cup of Maida, that is all-purpose flour, 2 pinches of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now mix them well with your hands and then gradually add some water to knead a soft dough. Make sure it is well combined. Now let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, knead it for a few seconds and make equal sized balls and flatten them with a rolling pin or balun as shown. Now with a sharp edged katori, make equal sized puris out of the big roti. Now assemble the stuffing. Make sure to make the roti thin and add plenty of stuffing to make your momos yummy. Apply some water on the edges and fold the momos as shown. Add some butter in the steamer. Now grease the plate with some cooking oil. Place the momos and then place the plate in the steamer. Now cover with the lid and steam for 15 minutes. Once done, take them out and serve hot. Enjoy!